Yo, so in this video, we're going to talk about how to start a t-shirt business at home. Now, I know you're thinking you have to buy these expensive printing machines ranging from $500 to $15,000. And no, you don't. You don't have to. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to make money from home with your t-shirt business digitally, right? No inventory, no money up front, none of that crazy stuff. And stay to the very end of this video. I'm gonna have a bonus business that you guys can start right now that I personally started, and it's doing amazing this month. My name is RJ Martinez, and I sold over 200K in profit in 3 years. I do this full time. I work from home. I quit my job and I pick my nose. I'm just kidding. Let's get into the content. All right, so the first platform is going to be Merch by Amazon, right? I'll put a link down below in the description. Make sure you guys go sign up for that. It's a invite only, so it may take 3 months to a year for you to get approved. That platform has brought in a consistent income every single month for the last 3 years since I've been making content on that. So it's definitely a moneymaker, right? And this year has been amazing. They've been, since the platform started, right? This year has been the best year for me personally on Merch by Amazon because they just, the team just took care of everything. And like there's previous years where we had freezes and wiping out BSRs, and it kind of basically what happened was it messed up our ranking on there. So all the money and stuff that we spent on ads to get our products ranking kind of just disappeared, and then we had to start all over again. So they did that a few times, but this year there's none of that, right? And it's amazing. So it's an amazing opportunity. That right there has helped me, push me, and helped me go from working my 9-to-5 job, and it pushed me, and then I started doing print on demand full time and creating content to help other people. And I've also helped a ton of people make money on Merch by Amazon, and that's a really awesome feeling because people are messaging me throughout the whole Q4 like, hey, today's my best day, this week is my best week, and it's crazy. So this month is I'm on track to do some serious numbers in Q4, and it's really amazing, awesome opportunity. So if you guys haven't signed up for that, sign up for that. So Redbubble is going to be number 2. You can basically, it's a different audience, so different designs are going to sell different compared to Merch by Amazon. So this person may not like that one design that's doing really well on your Merch by Amazon on Amazon.com. It may be a different design that does better on Redbubble. But this right here, you create your shop, create kind of like your branding and stuff like that. And I've sold personally over 1,000 products on there. And it pays for the utility bill, and it pays for it can pay for the car payment and anything like that. So if you're designing over here, it just makes sense to upload your products over here because it's easy, and you're gonna make money over here too as well if you upload your same designs from Amazon over to Redbubble, or if you just decide to design for Redbubble only and learn the audience, that can be some big money too as well. Keyword research for all these platforms are very important. Okay, how customers search for certain products, give them what they want. That's how you make your sales, right? So if you see a customer searching for a trending topic or something in a niche, a niche is basically like English Bulldog. If they're searching for a certain design or a funny saying, give them what they want, they'll make the purchase. And literally keywords are king online when it comes to making money. So that's important right there. But yeah, Redbubble is an amazing opportunity. I would definitely take advantage of that. If you haven't started already, or if you want to start selling products, it's free. Sign up, no upfront costs, no inventory. Come on, man. All right, so the next one is going to be Etsy, right? There's a little bit more customer service involved right here, and you have to use a third-party print company to actually take care of your orders. I know a few people have bought printers this year. Of course, you don't have to do that. They bought their own printers this year, so they don't have to do a shipping delays. It's a big thing. This year, a lot of companies are falling behind when it comes to shipping and stuff like that. But like when you're selling on Etsy, it's a little bit more, you have to be more involved in the business, okay? A little bit more customer service, talking to people, stuff like that. So if you're in there and you start crushing it, be ready for that because there's gonna be a lot of customer service. People are, right now during Q4, some people are like, where's my shirt? How come it's not here? It's gonna get here before Christmas, or they expect to, when they order it right now, they expect it to be there by Christmas. And for the most part, it doesn't happen all the time, right? Because shipping delays, the pandemic, holiday shipping delays, right? All this stuff, some people don't take into account. So Etsy's an amazing opportunity. You can definitely make some really good money over there. So I would sign up, take advantage of that. I want to get into the softwares that you can use for each one of these platforms. You can use GIMP, you can use Merchant Informer, you can use Canva, you can use the Over app, you can design from your phone. I have a video up here explaining, going more into detail how to do a design on these platforms. Check it out right here. And then there's Photoshop, there's Illustrator, there's any Affinity Designer. And if you guys are unaware, I do have a private group down below of like-minded individuals that are crushing it in Q4. It's called Radiate Scale, so the link is down below in the description if you guys want to check that out. Really awesome individuals, like-minded people, and they're really doing well. Q4 makes me happy, really happy. Now these last few print-on-demand companies, there's TeePublic, there's Society6, there's Spreadshirt. If all your designs over there make sense on those products, I would take those designs and upload them over there. Now, it's like, will one design do well over on this product? You know what I mean? On this product. You got to ask yourself that, because sometimes a t-shirt design doesn't look good on, you know, on one product. It's just the way it is, right? There's certain, so it all depends what you're designing for, right? At the end of the day. And I'm pretty sure a lot of you will agree with me on that, because it's just like, what's the customer want? Will someone buy this, right? It's not, you're not designing it for yourself. You're designing it for someone else. So you got to ask yourself, will it look good on these on this product? So, but all these print-on-demand companies that I've recommended in this video, they do have a unique list of products. Like right now, like masks are selling really well right now in 2020 with everything going on. I sold a ton of them on Redbubble. Now, personally myself, Merch by Amazon, I do focus on standard t-shirts. So I sell a ton of t-shirts over there. I've sold over like 60K, 56K, something like that, and products over there. And a big percentage of them, like 90% of them, are standard t-shirts. So I focus more on t-shirt designing and stuff like that. I outsource a lot of this because I suck at designing, okay? That's another thing. Like if you suck at something, just be aware of it. Self-awareness is huge. If you want to grow your business, like figure out what you suck at, and then just see if you can actually find somebody, right? And I outsource overseas. And I've built relationships, and I've had these two guys on my team for over 3 years now. And it's a really amazing opportunity. We work together, we work really well together. We have an awesome workflow. And this is what actually, workflow has helped me grow my business and my time management to help create content, and also at the same time make sure all my businesses are running correctly, right? So it's huge, right? Time management and workflow, they go hand in hand. If you do that correctly, you know, you can just make a ton of money. Bonus one, all right, is going to be Kindle Direct Publishing. I started an interior service business. I have that down below in the description. These interiors take hours and hours to make, right? It's $10 a month down below. And you get access to over 110 interiors. We're about to finish this year with over 120 interiors, but with KDP, okay? KDP is an amazing opportunity. I create low content books and coloring books, right? What I recommend you doing right now, if you were to start right now, at this very time and moment, I will start off with low content books, unless you're an artist and you know how to draw, okay? I will start with low content books, work your way up to coloring books or whatever it is, children's books. If you like to write novels, do that. Do whatever the heck you love to do, right? And then me personally, I started with low content books and made my way up to coloring books, and it's crushing it. You know what I mean? Going into Q4. It's amazing. It's doubling my numbers from last month when I first started, right? And I mean, last year when I first started, and I was like, dude, it's crazy. It's an amazing opportunity. And it's just selling consistently every single day. A lot of people are buying like coloring books and just 2021 books in general, going into the new year. And it's an amazing opportunity because literally from what I've seen from last year to this year, the numbers have doubled, right? And it's crazy because if you keep going, keep doing it, keep going at it, and there's no reason why it shouldn't double next year, right? So Kindle Direct Publishing If you haven't done it yet, create a book. I'm a self-published author on Amazon. That's amazing, right? Most people are like, what do you do for a living? I design t-shirts. I'm like, oh, that's cool. Like, what else do you do? I'm like, I'm a self-published author on Amazon. They're like, whoa. So if people, I don't know why, but it just sounds better. But Kindle Direct Publishing is an amazing opportunity. If you haven't signed up, sign up for that. It's crazy. Get to it, make the money. It's exactly like Merch by Amazon, but it's with books, right? So just designing like t-shirts, but you can design books, okay? And don't put a limitation on yourself, because you can do it. I don't even like books, and I still do it. But then I was like, you know what? Let me see if there's something that I like coloring books. I was like, dude, perfect. I can do this. Even children's books are pretty cool. So I do plan on making a few of those. But yeah, that's your bonus tip right there. And check out my other videos here.